Welcome to Archiesense. Casa Zen was designed to meet the needs of a family led by a yoga teacher, combining living space and yoga study space. The owner set a requirement to preserve as many trees as possible on the site, which became the main element and driving force of the architectural design of this project. The zoning of the site determined the placement of the interior spaces and the connections between them. The main entrance of the house is marked by a 2-story high foyer, while the entrance to the yoga studio has a smaller 2-meter high foyer. After entering the main foyer, residents can proceed to the covered terrace or the interior of the house. A 2-story high space with an arched bridge in the middle connects the dining room and the kitchen. On the second floor, this transitional space serves to connect the living room with the bedrooms. This area is the heart of the design, allowing for family interaction and a dynamic architectural experience through empty spaces, double heights, and the play of light and shadow. building materials use exposed concrete for the walls and ceilings, polished white cement for the floors and black window frames. The neutral color palette highlights the natural beauty of the surrounding area, with concrete walls acting as a canvas for the silhouettes of the trees. The project has successfully preserved 45 endemic trees, which contribute to a lower ambient temperature compared to other areas of the city. This preservation also allows wildlife such as parrots, hummingbirds, cardinals, and nightingales to remain in their habitat. The design of the house is characterized by a minimalist architecture that is peaceful and in harmony with nature, preferring to blend in with the environment rather than stand out from it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.